Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Ranjan Kumar Bal, Reverend Rajat Kumar Pani, Secretary of Carmel Institutions, Director Sanjibito Pani, dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my loving children. My hearty welcome to you all to this virtual Children's Day celebration. Happy Children's Day. You will be happy to know our chief guest and hear from him. He is the gold medalist in Utkal University. He was head of the Department of PG Commerce. He was chairperson in PG department, and at present he is resource person in different institutions. He is a great academician. Dear children and all, today there will be messages, blessings, speeches, and other programs. Dear children, you do so many different things on different festivals. Today, on Children's Day, all of you make promise that you obey your parents and listen to them. Whenever they call you or tell you to do something, you listen to them. Do not say, Tike, Asochi, but instead you should go to them immediately. Wish you again, dear children, Happy Children's Day. May God bless you. May He keep you happy, healthy, and safe always. With all these, I welcome all for today's celebration. Let us begin with welcome song.
आगे बढ़ना है, दूर जितनी भी हो मंजिल, हमसे ही ऊपर चढ़ना है, राहें जितनी भी हो मुश्किल, हमसे भी आगे बढ़ना है, दूर जितनी भी हो मंजिल, हमसे ही ऊपर चढ़ना है, जितनी भी हो मुश्किल, यही दुआएं देते रहेंगे हम सदा दिल से, यही दुआएं देते रहेंगे हम सदा दिल से। Happy Children's Day, 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 Happy Children's Day. काम सामने आपको आगे आना है, आना है, आना है, आपको आगे आना है, सारा देश जान लो, आपको ही चलाना है, चलाना है, चलाना है, आपको ही चलाना है, बहुत बड़ों की मानोगे तो हर मंजिल होगी आसान, बात पढ़ोगे मानोगे तो हर मंजिल होगी आसान, घर से ऊंचा होगा ये सर जब छूओगे आसमान, अपने सारे सपनों को तुम झेलो जी भर के, अपने सारे सपनों को तुम झेलो जी भर के। Happy Children's Day, 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 Happy Children's Day.
Good morning to the respected principal, chief guest, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Priyansi Behera, class 5B. Today I would like to speak a few lines about about Children's Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is also called Bal Divas. On this day, school and colleges organize various events like music, drama, dance, speech, essay writing, etc. competitions for children. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of Free India and a great leader. Children called him Chacha Nehru because of the love to be used to shower in kids. He was popularly called as Chacha Nehru. He always had to have a red rose on his shirt that represented love. For all the love and fondness he had for children, he is remembered by celebrating his birthday as Children's Day. Children's Day is not just a celebration, it is also a responsibility of each parent and the children to make sure that an essential things like education is not marked off from the life of a kid. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in the education of the children so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. Thank you.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य एवं शिक्षकगण, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम पायल प्रदर्शिनी पाड़ी है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आप लोगों के सामने बाल दिवस पर भाषण देने वाली हूँ। सर्वप्रथम बाल दिवस आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बाल दिवस प्रत्येक वर्ष 14 नवंबर को मनाया जाता है। इसी दिन हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्म हुआ था। इस दिन को बाल दिवस के रूप में इसलिए मनाया जाता है क्योंकि पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी बच्चों से अपार प्रेम करते थे। उन्हें बच्चों से अत्यधिक लगाव था, इसलिए उनका जन्म दिवस बच्चों के नाम से अर्थात बाल दिवस के रूप में मानने का निर्णय लिया गया। बच्चे प्यार से उन्हें चाचा नेहरू कहकर बुलाते थे। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी एक प्रमुख स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे। उनका मानना था कि बच्चे देश का भविष्य हैं, इसलिए उनकी देखभाल करना, उन्हें प्यार देना तथा उन्हें उनका उचित अधिकार देना अति आवश्यक है, जिससे वे हमारे देश को सदैव प्रगति के पथ पर ले जा सके। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
सम्माननीय सभापति महोदय, प्रिय गुरुजी गुरुमावृंद, मंचसीन अतिथि, उपस्थित भद्रमंडली, मोर प्रिय सहपाठी तथा मोर सान बड़ भाई भौणी मैंने आज शिशु दिवस अवसर में मत कि कहबार सुजोग मिली मु निजक धन्य मन करुछि एवं मोर श्रेणी शिक्षक मत सुजोग दे मु धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुछि। आज हूँ भारतर प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जन्मदिन। से 1899 मसीहा नवेम्बर मास 14 तारिख दिन जन्मग्रहण करते। पिता नाम मोतीलाल नेहरू और माता नाम स्वरूपा राणी। से बिलातरू आईन पास करते। गांधीजी अहिंसा नीति स्वाधीनतार संग्राम में योगदान करने आकृष्ट करथिला। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू शिशु प्रेमी थे। से कुनि कुनि पिला भितर भविष्यतर भारत को देखि पारथिले। आज शिशु भविष्यतर नागरिक से कहते जदि आम वर्तमान शिशु मान उपयुक्त जत्न नहीं उचित मार्ग नेबा तेबे आम एक सुंदर भारतर परिकल्पना करिपरिबा। तेणु से निज जन्म दिवस टी शिशु मान उद्देश्य पालन करने परामर्श देथिले। तेणु आम दिन को शिशु दिवस रूपे पालन करू। शिशु माने तांको आदरर चाचा नेहरू बोली संबोधन करुथिले। एही महान व्यक्ति 1964 मसीहा मे मास 27 तारीख रे शेष निश्वास त्याग करथिले। एतिकी कही मु मोर वक्तव्य शेष करूची। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Good morning, children. At the very outset, I would like to wish you Happy Children's Day and God blessings upon you. Dear students, today I have got an immense opportunity on this monumental occasion of Children's Day to address you, most precious treasure of our country. Jawaharlal Nehru believed that the strength of a country is its young citizens and children who help to develop our country through their new ideas and innovative thoughts. You will be the future leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers. Everybody expects from you to bring about radical transformation in the country and also in the world. So expectations are very high on you. Dear children, don't underestimate your energy and power just because you are small kids. The success is not related with age. You will have to start work right now as your destination is full of travels and seemingly thoughts than it appears. For that, the first and foremost duty of yours is to do the work whatsoever is assigned on you by your teachers, parents, and society honestly. Your focus must be all in all on your studies. Prepare yourself for future. Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. Children's Day is symbolic. All day belongs to you. With that, let me conclude my speech by wishing you once again Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
देश की प्रगति के हम हैं आधार, हम करेंगे चाचा नेहरू के सपने को साकार। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। भारत में सन 1959 से बाल दिवस मनाया जा रहा है, पर तब यह बाल दिवस 20 नवंबर को मनाया जाता था, लेकिन 27 मई 1959 में जब पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का निधन हो गया तो इसके बाद उनकी स्मृति में उनके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस भारत में मनाया जाने लगा। बच्चे, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, चाचा नेहरू जी बच्चों से बहुत ही प्यार करते थे और बच्चों के साथ उनको वक्त बिताना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था। तो इसीलिए बच्चे प्यार से उन्हें चाचा नेहरू जी कह के बुलाते थे। नेहरू जी को अपने जीवन में बच्चों के प्रति उन्होंने बहुत ही योगदान दिया। उन्होंने बहुत सारी योजनाएं बनाई बच्चों के विकास के लिए और इसी से हम बच्चे उन्हें चाचा नेहरू जी कहकर बुलाने लगे। नेहरू जी ने बाल श्रम के रोकने का बहुत प्रयास किया और प्रत्येक कार्यों में प्राथमिक शिक्षा उपलब्ध करवाने का बहुत ही योजनाएं बनाई। हम अपने देश को नेहरू जी और महात्मा गांधी जी जैसे नेताओं की तरह ही हम सफल और महान बना सकते हैं। नेहरू जी के विचार थे कि जीवन में डर के अलावा खतरनाक और बुरा कुछ भी नहीं। इसी के साथ मैं यहाँ पे समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
शिशु दिवस उपलक्षे मु आपण मानू शुभ सकाळ शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी एवं मोर विद्यालयर समस्त छात्र छात्री मानू मोर आंतरिकतार स्नेह एवं बहुत सारा भल पाइबा। पिला माने आज हूँ नवेम्बर 14 तारिख पवित्र शिशु दिवस। आज चाचा नेहरू जन्म दिवस जेहेतु से पिला मानू बहुत भल पाउथिले सेतिपाई से तांकर जन्मदिनटी को शिशु दिवस रूपे घोषणा करिसेंती। तो ये शिशु दिवस अवसर रे पिला माने मु तुमको गोटे सुंदर कविताटी गाई सुनाइबी। शिशु दिवस आज चाचा नेहरू जन्म दिवस किंतु ऑफलाइन नाई ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम रो आभास।
किंतु ऑफलाइन नहीं ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम रो आभास पड़ीछि कि बेड़ा होई जाइछे आमे अबड़ा पड़ीछि कि बेड़ा होई जाइछे आमे अबड़ा केबे जीव ए करोना मनरे भरिछि बहु गुड़िए वेदना समागम नाही अछि खाली नीरवता समागम नाही अछि खाली नीरवता सतरे पिला माने तुम अनुपस्थिति रे विद्यालय लगे फांका फांका कहार नाही आज कोलाहल मन हुए भारी विशृंखल केबे आसीबे स्कूल पिला सते जेपरी विद्यालय पड़ीछि ताला तुम बिना विद्यालय पड़ीछि खाली नाच गीत पाठ पढ़ार आसर जाइछि चाली केते करुथिले मजा दैव देला कि सजा केते करुथिले मजा दैव देला कि सजा हेले छात्र छात्री रखिथा मने कार्मेल स्कूल केबे भी भूलिनी दिने हेले छात्र छात्री रखिथा मने कार्मेल स्कूल केबे भी भूलिनी दिने तुम पाठ पढ़ा पाई सदा जाग्रत ऑनलाइन रे भी पढ़ा होइछि सत ऑनलाइन रे भी पढ़ा होइछि सत तुम भविष्यत कर आलोकित ए जन्मभूमिर ए माटी मार तुम भविष्यत कर आलोकित ए जन्मभूमिर ए माटी मार आजिर दिन रे रहु प्रतिज्ञा आमर धन्यवाद।
Dear children, I am so delighted to speak to you all on this special day. With the importance of the day said by teachers, your friend, I do not want to repeat it again. With all my blessing for today, I wish that our children not only study well, but develop to be a good person, which is the greatest virtue in life. A good person in the heart and soul reflects a good values in life. It is not the outer appearance that counts all in life. It is rather the value that makes a person look to be good. A person with good values considered to be king of good times. As children preparing themselves for life in the future, they must be taught from childhood onward the good values of life. A man was selling balloons at a fair in a tribal village. He had balloons of different colors to attract the attention of the people around. He released the gas-filled balloon into the air. When the children saw the balloon go up high, they would jump with joy and rush to buy one. As the balloon man was busy in attracting his little customers, he felt someone pulling his shirt. When he turned and saw a little dark boy was asking him, if you release a black balloon, would that also fly high? For a moment, the balloon man was taken aback. Why is this little boy asking such a question? His eyes fell on the dark skin of the body, and with a flicker of a moment, the balloon man realized the matter. With a lot of affection, he moved his hand on the head of the little boy and replied gently, "Son, it is not the color of the balloon, it is what it's inside it goes up." Often people are carried by the outer appearance of people. But it is not the matter how or what makes yourself look. It is rather the inner qualities and values that matters. Let life be filled with joy and happiness. It is all possible only when we cultivate good values from childhood onwards. I thank the chief guest of today, the management, and my teachers, colleagues, and especially my dear parents and everyone who plays an important role in building up our children for a bright future. With this, I would like to wish every child in our school and around a very happy Children's Day.
Good morning. I welcome all the children of Carmel English Medium School its principal, teachers, staff, and parents. Today is 14th November, an auspicious day. Today is Happy Children's Day, a memorable day for all our children. All of you know that today the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was born. Then why we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day? Because he loved our children. Our children also loved him and called him Chacha Nehru. He did a lot of work for our children, for the education of our children, and also for their health. Today is also a memorable day for the school. It's a very important day for the school. Why? Today it reminds all the teachers regarding their duties, regarding their responsibilities towards our children. As teachers, we have to take care, we have to nurture the talents of our children, we have to guide them, we have to inspire and motivate the children. They have many hidden talents and we have to nurture those talents. I also remember my childhood days in my village where there was no electricity. I was reading in lantern light, but I enjoyed my days there. We also celebrated the Children's Day. I still remember the blessings of my teachers who guided me to realize my goals. I believe that the children are the gifts of God. Every child has some unique qualities, some unique talents, and we have to nurture those talents. As teachers, as parents, we have to devote time for the children. That is one kind of investment which we have to do for the children so that they realize their dreams. Let us celebrate today. I know that most of you are wearing beautiful dresses. I know that some of you are in fancy dresses, wearing the dresses as Chacha Nehru or as Gandhiji or as in some other fancy dresses. Sweets are also waiting for you for your celebration. Yes, today is a very special day for the school, for the teachers, and also for all the children. My blessings and best wishes for all the children of Carmel English Medium School. I also convey my best wishes to its teachers and also for the parents. I pray God to bless our children and all of you. Thank you very much.
Pinky, again you changed my Wi-Fi password?
Yes, Mom. I have changed as our neighbor Sushant was stealing our Wi-Fi.
I am getting late for my online classes. My students were waiting. Give me the password.
पासवर्ड नहीं बताऊंगी.
How dare you? नहीं बताओगी?
इस पासवर्ड मॉम. पासवर्ड नहीं बताऊंगी.
क्या पागल की तरह पासवर्ड रखती है ये?
बहू, अरे ओ बहू, कहाँ मर गई रे तू?
हाँ जी मम्मी जी।
देख ना जरा, मैं टी पार्टी करके आई और मेरी पिक्चर इंस्टा पे अपलोड ही नहीं हो रही।
माँ जी एक्चुअली अभी मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाला है, तो मैं बाद में कर दूंगी। हाय रे मेरी फूटी किस्मत, ये कैसी बहू मिली है मुझे जो अपनी सास की ही बात नहीं मान रही। पता है शर्मा जी की मिसेस ने तो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दी और उनको 5 लाइक्स आए हैं, 5 लाइक्स।
ओ अच्छा, लाइए मैं कर देती हूँ। लीजिए, हो गया।
अरे 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 बहू, पता है ना आज फ्राइडे है?
हाँ जी मम्मी जी,
और
पता
मैं
है
फ्राइडे
मुझे।
को नॉनवेज खाती हूँ।
हाँ जी।
देखना मैं कितनी पतली जो हो गई।
हाँ जी मम्मी जी। गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास, हाउ आर यू ऑल?
Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
रिचा, कीप योर वीडियो ऑन।
मैडम नेटवर्क इश्यू।
Ma'am, she is lying again. Just before she was making pickpocket videos and sharing.
नो मैडम, रुक मोटी तुझे।
ओहो, we have you both. Audible now? Am I audible?
मैम, एक्चुअली मैम यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल मैम।
By the way, Madhu, what about your school uniform?
यस मैम, एक्चुअली आई एम इन माय मामूज होम।
बोल लो। मैडम जी नमस्ते।
मम्मा तू जा।
झूठ बोल रही है। अभी सो के उठी है, ब्रश भी नहीं किया है, डायरेक्ट बेड से उठ के ऑनलाइन क्लास में बैठ गई है। तू मिठे कहूଛୁ मामू घर को जाइଛୁ, ପାଠ ନାହିଁ ସାଠ ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ମାମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇଛୁ, ମିଛ କହିବାକୁ ଶିଖିଛୁ।
Okay, Mrs. Sahu, calm down. And Madhu, it's very unhygienic things. Next time onwards, be punctual. Don't tell lie.
टुडे। यस मैम।
Okay, anyway, dear children, now I will take your attendance. Yes. Hello, Hemant. Are you there, beta? Hemant.
ଏଇଟା କହୁଛି ନା କ'ଣ କରୁଛି? ଆରେ ଏ ହେମା, ମାରେ, ଆରେ ଏ ହେମନ୍ତ, ଆରେ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କେତେବେଳୁ ତତେ ଡାକିଲାଣି? ସେ କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ତୋର ଏତେବେଳେ ତତେ ଡାକିଲାଣି? ତୁ କ'ଣ ଶୁଣୁଛୁ?
sorry ma'am, I am present ma'am.
ଆଁ? ଏ କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ତୋର?
Only ma'am.
ପଲ୍ଲୀ?
Yes ma'am, I am opening my window.
जेजे कौन कल तमे मामा मामा देखिलु जेजे आपा गोटे मते जमा टोटल क्लास करे दउना आती
कोन मामा मामा तू उंडा ओपन करलु मुके पान छप पके देली।
एइटा कोन झरका उइंडो एइटा को भाबुचो पान छप मोर लैपटॉप जागा पके दो ओ
झरका खोलिली पान छप पकेले कहू एटा उंडो नुह।
तमे गल्लो जेजे
की पाठ कर जी।
ओ तमे जाओ पान खाई कि दांडो रे बसता मु जाउची।
Why very less children are coming to the class?
रहने दो मैम, you know ना they have many excuses.
Excuse? What excuse?
Madam, just now Rohit called me over video call saying that he cannot attend today's class. His data pack expires.
Might be his data pack expired, beta.
What, ma'am? You're so innocent. You're forgetting he was in video call.
Okay. Silence. I start everyone silence. Let's start the class. Who is this try to entering my class? Last time someone entering the name of principal sir and played the song बचपन का प्यार मुझे भूल नहीं जाना है. But today I will not allow to anyone. Who is this? Sneha? Okay, then let me admit her.
Holy madam, what is this? You are not admitting me for your class?
Oh no!
From last 15 minutes I am trying. You are not checking your participant list?
Oh no!
You are not checking your waiting room?
Oh
What
no.
is this, madam? Then I changed my name as Sneha to enter into your class.
Sorry, sir. Actually, many times some are unknown entering as principal, sir.
Okay. You carry on, madam.
Hello, Rahul. Can you tell me from which place Corona came?
Ma'am, it's coming from my neighbor's auntie.
What?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my mom is got affected from my neighbor's auntie. So the corona is coming from my neighbor's auntie.
Stand up. I say stand up on the chair.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
Oh, sit down, sit down. Rahul, where is your full uniform?
मैम वो मामा ने धोया था, अभी तक सूखा नहीं है.
Hello, Vaishak. Can you answer me who won the battle of Panipat? Yes? Your backside fan is moving, so stop acting that you got struck by network issue. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer who won the battle of Panipat.
Mom won the battle of Panipat.
What is your answer? Your mom?
It's with our neighbor auntie as they are fight for Pani.
Madam, check Hemant, what that boy is doing in the class. He's chatting with Vicky in the chat box. Is she, madam?
Oh no! Hemant, what you are chatting with Vicky? धो डाला रे हमको. What? What धो डाला रे?
Sorry ma'am, actually we all are watching hosted ICC tournament. India versus Pakistan.
बंद करो सब, बंद करो.
Madam Polly, what happened? Is there any problem?
I just told them to close the Hotstar, but they closed my class. Oof. Oh no! Principal sir, please tell when our offline class will start. I am really fed up of these online classes.
Oh, I know, Madam Polly. It's very difficult. Calm down. Really, very difficult for teachers during this pandemic to take online classes. Some parents are also sharing with me. Yes, they're also fed up. You all are doing marvelous job. Madam, children are after all children. So don't lose heart, madam. Try for the best. What you are holding in your hand? What? Knife?
Till I was cutting vegetables.
A teacher is never a good one because the students make them a good. Thanks to all my students for making me a good teacher. Warm wishes on Children's Day to all my dear loving children. Respected management, teachers, parents, and my dear loving students, I would like to gladly propose a vote of thanks to you. I appreciate the hard work of all the teachers in conducting the program. I thank the management for giving us the opportunity to celebrate this occasion virtually. I thank all my dear students for your active participation and preparation to make this occasion special. And at the same time, I thank our IT team who produced such a beautiful videos for all of us. My sincere thanks to parents who always supports their children to participate in the competition. Finally, I thank God for His blessings on each one of us. Obstacles come into our lives to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities and you will never fail in your life. Thank you. Have a good day.